Hi everyone, our group's gonna do a presentation regarding the Game Crypto website. The evaluation focuses on 4 representative features of the website using tools like Loop 11 and optimal workshops to conduct usability testing, including a total of 15 participants for online testing and 5 participants for order testing. 4 main findings will be identified, and there will be feasible recommendations to solve them.
Finding 1 reveals a major issue with the website's design. It doesn't make sense to users and doesn't match their expectations. During task 1, 2, and 4, participants faced difficulties finding game categories, understanding button functions, and locating support. This caused confusion and inefficiency. For example, in task 1, participants clicked the buy button but couldn't find filters to narrow down their game choices. Task 2 presents problems with locating the Get Support button, which was hidden in the bottom right corner. The Help button caused further confusion. Task 4 involved purchasing, print and play games, but participants expected to find them in the previous purchase page. To fix these issues, the website should follow users' natural expectations. It should have a straightforward purchase process, consistent button functions, and clear game categories. By reducing unnecessary UI elements, users can quickly find what they need without confusion and uncertainty.
About finding 2, I found convoluted information architecture hinders the participants' experience. Complex layouts combined with the redundant information contribute to the information overload for participants. In task 2 and task 4, participants encounter confusing navigation elements such as unclear labels and navigation level. This issue not only frustrates participants but also increases the risk of them getting lost. Once a participant gets lost on the site does not provide a way to return to previous page. It exposes the participants to risk of losing control and freedom. Our recommendation is to redesign the information architecture of the site to ensure consistency and ease of use. The menu structure of the website should be improved to reduce redundancy of information, and the level of the menu should be optimized to make it simple and clear. Lastly, add breadcrumb navigation to all pages. It can display the user's current location within the website's structure.
The third finding highlights the negative impact of ambiguous categorization and categories overlap on memorability, learnability, effectiveness, and efficiency in achieving usability goals. For instance, in task 1, the overlapping categories between 2 tabs cause confusion among participants, resulting in increased time spent and a less effective and efficient approach to completing the task. Furthermore, the inconsistency of labels under the board game items add to the confusion for first-time users and make it difficult for them to remember how to navigate the website. To address the issue, it is recommended to conduct a thorough reassessment of website's main function and categories by identifying and eliminating any duplicate and ensure each category has a distinct name to minimize user confusions. Additionally, using precise labels can further enhance user understanding and usability.
Finding 4, I'm going to talk about the missing navigation buttons and message boxes for this part. It's very important for the page flow and the user's browsing experience. The first one is in all tasks. The users can only go back to the home page by clicking the icon. However, this icon is not visible enough. It's often located in the corner or at the bottom of the page. In task 4, when we click the buy button, a message box will pop up in the bottom left corner and leading us to the shopping cart. If we click it and then go back to the buying page again, all the details of the additional filter will disappear. So we provide two suggestions for the above problems. The first one is to add important navigation buttons. For example, eye-catching homepage back and forward buttons to all subpage. The second one is to add a message alert box. When jumping to other page or subpage, users should be informed that your message will not be saved if you leave the current page. That's all for our presentation. Thanks for listening.